I'm sure there's a billion videos about how to be interesting on TikTok. Because just remember, be interesting, because someone might go to please watch video or your domain, whatever your domain is. Okay. Instagram. I love pop Funko dolls, and I love heavy metal, just rock and roll. And I love pop and Bay City Rollers and ABBA. I mean, I love music. I've been in the radio biz quite a bit since 1987. I love these dolls, though. I just went through this convention. Ash, there's the doc from Back to the Future. There's Margot Robbie, the pretty blonde in Suicide Squad. I've got hundreds of these dolls. I can always come up with something interesting to put on Instagram. And what I'll do is I'll just put pleasewatchvideo.com on the picture, and then I'll put it somewhere over here. This is just a demo that I popped up, but I might put it just right here and talk about the business. Nothing fancy. I don't put more than 10 words because I don't know who's watching this. I don't want to bait and switch and say, oh, hey, click here, and it's referencing Funko Pop dolls when it goes into a nutrition affiliate program. You don't want to bait and switch. That's the worst. Just be honest. You know, if you're nervous, tell people you're nervous. If you're having a good time, have a good time. On my YouTube channel, I've got a bunch of these channels, but this one I'm just going to develop just for LiveGood. So all my content, pretty much, you can see I'm kind of Mr. LiveGood. I like to post. You know, I do long videos like this one. This one will probably be 20-something minutes. And thanks for watching this long. I know on the longer videos, they're kind of like more conversational, but I do enjoy video because I feel like I honestly am in your living room hanging out, not selling Amway, not selling Avon. I'm not selling you nothing. But if you want to buy products, great. It's $10 a month or $100 a year.